Hello everyone, welcome back to my Unity Open World tutorial series. So today we are going to work on synchronizing the actual walk movement speed and the animations speed so that you won't see any kind of a sliding when the character walks. So yeah, that's what I'm going to work on today. So now as you can see in this demonstration, the character's foot fits perfectly on the ground and stays stationary relative to the ground, the foot which is on the ground. So yeah, that's what I'm going to cover today. And let's get started. Okay, so at the moment we can't really understand whether these characters movements are aligned with the animations because we don't have any details on the ground, so therefore we can't see, it's hard to see how accurate the animations with the speed of movement. So therefore yeah, let me add some other material. Let's see what we got. I need something like a grid. Oh, we don't have it. No. So right. So let's see. Let's download a grid texture. What? The grids are also stock photos. Nice. Okay, let's try this. Let me save this and let's import it to our project. I don't have any texture folder. Right, let's create one. Oh no, let's create a new material. Create grid. Right click, create material, grid, and as for the base map I'll use this one. Right, now for this ground let's use the grid material. Well, it's too big, so yeah, let's set the tiling to 100 by 100. Good. Now we can see the details on the ground. Right, now you can see it is not, yeah, movement, speed and the animations don't match. You can see that now. Okay, so yeah, let's start with walking animation. So walking speed should be, let's try half of this. So we have to change two things now. This one I'll set the total speed to 10. Right, now the working animation, the working animation would be around 3.33 and running would be around 6.7 and sprinting is at 10. Okay, right. Let's try that. Now I need to change the speeds for my character movement class inside my character movement class as well. So let me promote these to variables. So like this, I'll create a new set of variables: public float, work speed, public float, run speed. I should set default values for this. Work speed should be 3.3 as I just saw. Running should be 6.7. And like this we should have sprint speed and crouch speed and also prone in speed. So crouch speed also should be around 3.3. Prone is also, it should be way less than crouching, so let's say 1. So here for walking I'll set walk speed. For running I'll set run speed. For crouching, crouch speed. For proning, prone speed. And yeah, I didn't define a swimming speed, so let's define it. Swim speed. Okay, sprint speed. Right, now here okay, we have the variables now. Let's try and play. Still walking is too fast, but running seems alright. Well, it's not very clear. Wait, what's the sprint speed? It should be 10, not 3.3. Let me change it in the default value. And walk speed, I think something like 2 would be better. So then okay, so I have to update it here now as well. Two for running, sorry, 2 for walking. Still I see a little bit of sliding of the foot. And somewhat shaking. Why is that? Let's set it to perfectly to 2. The figure is somewhat shaking, but let's forget about that for now and focus on synchronizing the animation. Okay, so why does it shake? Is it because of synchronization problems? Shaking is not here. Right. So yeah, pay attention to the console so we can figure it out. So here, now in the console, you can see the speed is now 1.8 and 2, 1.82. So it keep changing. Why is that? Right, so I think that should be because we are using a rigid body to move the character. Okay, let's go to character movement. So let's go to animation controller. Where do we print this value? Here. Okay, right, so let's do some smoothing here. I'll define a new private variable, float speed, and here before setting the speed value, instead of getting that, I'll use the speed. So I'll set speed equals math.love from speed to this one, and as for t, I'll use time dot delta time. So here what I'm trying to do is smoothing out that abrupt changes in the velocity so that we won't see any shakings in the animations. Okay, right, now the shakings are gone, but the update time for animation is not enough. So maybe we can multiply this with 2. Okay, it looks better now, and the movement is more aligned with the speed. But we can refine this further. If if I maximize this, and you can see when I walk, the foot still slides a little bit. We can clearly see that if I reduce the time scale. Yeah, so let's try that. Time dot time scale equals 0.1 f. So now what I'm trying to do is reducing the speed of the game time. So now as you can see, we are in slow motion mode. Let's go to working. And you can see, yeah, the foot slides a little bit forward. It doesn't stay exactly on the same place while one foot is on the ground. So we can fix it by slightly changing the speed of the running animation. So instead of 1, let's try 1.1. and see how it looks. This is running animation. Let's go back to walking. Not quite there. As you can, if you pay attention to the bottom left corner, you can see the speed is reducing 2.25, 2.23 to 1. Right now we are getting closer to the walk speed. Right now I think we are at walk speed. Okay, now the footwork is better. Yeah, I can say it stays in the same position. That's good enough. So let's remove the time scale, time slowing down, and see it in real time. See, it looks better now. The walking feels more real now, no sliding. Yeah, better. So right, next thing is yeah, now we have to work on this running and all other animations, but for now I'll stop at this point. And yeah, so if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of my Patreon club. Link would be in the description below. And yeah, I have released another project file version, and if you are in my Patreon club, you can download it. So okay, and thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.